Data analysts stay broke because it's a simple reason that people don't actually understand. They learn everything but apply nothing that they learn. They'll make all the notes in the world but they won't apply it anywhere. So Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, they do all the tutorial, they'll follow like 10 roadmaps and still hear nothing back from companies. And I know this because I have been one like that. So when I started, I was spending around 5 to 6 hours a day grinding through random courses that I have enrolled in, and my resume had 7 tools or 15 to be precise, and my GitHub had a lot of projects that I was doing, but I wasn't getting any calls like at all. And the worst part, I thought I'll need more courses for it to work out, but it didn't. And that's when I realized like tools don't get you hired. Like you need outcomes. Like a business needs you to know that okay, you can actually bring something to the table. Then they will do. Like recruiters don't care that you use SQL. They don't care if you know learn Python for it. They care if your SQL skill, your projects actually solved a business problem. So if you can explain it clearly, all good. You are all set. So I stopped doing generic projects. I started building work that actually told a story, like with clear before and after insights, like after my business insight, what actually happened. So I actually had a lot of projects like that actually got me hired because I didn't apply. I just got hired. It's not a flex, but yeah, it is like that. So, and I fixed my resume to reflect impacts, not tools. Like I don't want to have 20 tools there. And that's when the thing started to shift. And I got my a freelance journey that I was doing. I got my first gig. And then now more than 2,600 people start following me and are following me on a daily basis to learn how to do that. So I realize most people don't need another course. They need clarity on things and tools that cut out the noise. Like no one wants to be too frustrated with it because I do. That's why I built two things. First is ultimate data analyst resource pack that has real world project templates. Then resume ready SQL, Excel walkthroughs, and Python also will be there, and a roadmap that actually works. So you'll find that in the description below. And if you're someone who wants structure, like a lot of people actually focus on a mentor that teach them, a tutor, and you want feedback on things, you want a real push, like someone motivating you, I done a 12-week one-on-one mentorship program, and I'll help you build the proof of work that you need to show, fix your resume, and also prep for all about outcomes. Like whatever work that actually works, I'll be sending out. You can apply in the description, it will be below. You can apply through it. And I also send out weekly emails, like short practical tips to grow as a data analyst that you can apply to. It's called Data Dilemma. Again, the link will be in description. You can check it out. So more than 10 plus people have joined last week, and it's really good. You once you sign up on it, you get a 7 days starter kit right away. It will be sent to your email. Just make sure you finish the process. So you don't need to be perfect for it. You just need to know 10 tools. No, I'm not going to say that. You don't need to know 10 tools. You just need to have a direction and consistency in it. And that's what happened with me, and that's how I'm teaching so that other people can also learn it. So links are below. If you have been stuck, this is your sign to actually do something. So I'll see you guys once you enroll in it. Bye.